Hello dear friends, in the last class we discussed about the rice crop and today I will teach you the cotton crop. Cotton, its scientific name is Gossypium species and it is the most important commercial crop of our country. Cotton is also known as white gold. But this crop is attacked by numerous insect pests. In today's lecture I will teach you only the sucking pest. Now first I will tell you the major insect pest of the cotton. Here first one is white fly, second one is leafhopper, third is thrips and fourth one is mealybug. Now one by one I will discuss all these insects. White fly, its scientific name is Bemisia tabaki, family is Alurodidae and order is Hemiptera. In Hemiptera's bear stylet that is used to suck the sap from the plant system. First, how can we identify the white fly on the cotton? First, I will tell about the nymph. In the first picture, you can see the greenish yellow nymphs and pupa. In the second picture, you can see the pupa. Pupa is oval in shape and it is present only on the under surface of the leaves. Third one is adult. It's also minute insect. Its body is yellow color but it is covered with the white waxy blooms. Because of that it looks white. Next, symptom of damage means which type of symptoms on the cotton crop which we can see that is attacked by the white fly. First symptom, the nymph and the adult they suck the sap. As I told you, the hemipterans they bear the stylet and the stylet is the modification of the mandible and maxilla that is used only to suck the sap or we can say juice from the plant system. Because of that the shedding of the buds and balls take place. When the white fly causes seed infestation at that time on the crop we can see the premature defoliation means fell down of the leaves before maturing. Third, sooty mold growth. All the sucking pest means the pest which comes under the hemipterans, they release the honeydew and because of that honeydew is a sticky substance which attract the mold. Means where this honeydew is present there the sooty mold growth take place. And the last one most important point about the white fly is it acts as a vector for the virus. The virus that causes the disease leaf curl virus means CLCV. Most important disease in the cotton that is caused by a virus and that virus is carried out by the white fly. Next, management means how can we manage this insect? If we want to manage this insect, we should remove the all alternate host like Abutilon indicum, in Hindi we can call it Kangibuti, Solanum nigrum, hibiscus. These are the alternate hosts which are present on the cotton field. We should remove all these alternate weeds. Next, timely sowing. It is also most important. Means timely sowing also an important factor if you want to control the white fly in the cotton system. Means we should go for the early sowing. Early sowing produce asynchrony between the host and the pest. Next is judicious application. If we want to control the white fly in the cotton system, we should go for the judicious application of the fertilizer, especially nitrogen. If we are spraying more nitrogen in the cotton fields means more vegetative growth and more vegetative growth is preferred by the white fly. So we should go for the judicious application of the nitrogen fertilizer. Next, cultivation of the most preferred alternate host crop like brinjal, bhindi, tomato, tobacco and sunflower. These crops we should avoid to cultivate in the cotton ecosystem. Next, biological control. Verticillium leccan we should use. Next, chemical. At last the farmers will apply the chemical control practices in their field. First, spray of the neem seed kernel extract. This is eco-friendly. Next, buprofezin. In the market we can purchase this insecticide as a name of Upload, and it is basically a insect growth regulator. Basically, insect growth regulator means this insecticide inhibit the chitin synthesis in the insect. If chitin is not formed on the insect, means it will not survive. Next, imidacloprid. It is new chemistry insecticide, and in the market we can purchase this insecticide as a name of Gocho, and its mode of action is that it interferes with the nicotinic acetylcholine receptor. Next is thiamethoxam. It's also a new chemistry insecticide, same mode of action as of imidacloprid. And next, last one is pyromacifan, most important insecticide. We are using this insecticide, pyromacifan. It is basically from the group of ketinols, and it comes the name of Oberon. And how this insecticide effective to control the whitefly, as this Oberon inhibit the lipid biosynthesis in the insect system. Second insect of the whitefly is leafhopper. Its scientific name is Amarasca bigutula. Its family is Cicadalidae and order is Hemiptera. How can we identify this insect on the cotton? First, I will tell about the nymph. The nymph, it is light green in color, but it is wingless. Next, adult. Adult is dark green in color, and most important identification of the adult is that it is wedge shaped, and on the forewings they bear the two black spots. And one most important feature about the leafhopper is that it runs sideways. Next, symptom of damage means which type of symptom we can see on the cotton that is affected by the leafhopper. First, the leafhopper attack on the, or we can suck the juice from the margin of the leaves. Because of that, the leaf they starts curling downward. And second, when the infestation is more, the leaf they convert this margin of the leaves they convert into the brick red color, which we can say open burn appearance. I will show in the next slide. In the first picture we can see the downward curling of the leaf, and in the severe infestation in the second picture we can see the burning appearance on the margins. Next, management. How can we manage the leafhopper in the cotton? First, we should go for the early sowing. Early sowing is the most important practice for the control of the sucking pest. Rainfall is also given the effective, as heavy rainfall comes means all the leafhopper they washed away from the leaf system. For the management of the leafhopper, early sowing also important practices. Next, set up light trap. And predator, we should release the predator, that is Chrysoperla cornea. And in the chemicals, we should use the monocrotophos. It's a organophosphate. And how can it act on the insect? It block the activity of acetylcholinesterase enzyme. Thrips. Third insect pest of the cotton is thrips. Thrips tabaci, Thripidae family, Thyrsoptera order. Identification of the host. Identification of the pest. First, nymph. It is very minute insect. It's slender and yellowish. And adult, it is also small, but it bears the fringed wings. And thrips, they have the rasping at sucking time mouth parts. In thrips, the right mandible is absent. Symptom of damage. Which type of symptom we can see on the cotton that is affected by the thrips? First symptom is shriveling of the leaves. due to the scraping of the epidermis. As I told, thrips is having the rasping and sucking time mouth part. Means rasp means scraping the epidermis. Because of that, the lips they become shriveled. And most important symptom of the thrips is that the leaves they are showing the silvery shining appearance on the under surface of the leaves. In the picture we can see the silvery shining appearance, and the second picture we can see the shriveled leaves. Management means how can we manage the thrips. Thrips is the insect that comes first in the cotton crops. We can see its attack after the 14 days after sowing. And for the management of thrips, we should use these insecticides: buprofagin, same in the cotton, same in the whitefly, fipronil regent, thiamethoxam, imidacloprid, methyldimetone, and dimethod. These are the organophosphate dimethods in the market we can purchase by the name Rogor. Mealybug. Nowadays it is not causing that much damage in the crop, but few years back it caused the huge damage in the cotton crop. Its scientific name is Phenococcus solensis, family Pseudococcidae, and outrage Hemiptera. Symptom of damage. This insect cause heavy clustering of the mealybugs, usually seen under the surface of the leaf. Because of that, we can see the waxy secretion on the plant, and it is also release the honeydew, and the crop plant that is affected by the heavy more mealybugs, they become very sick and black in color. Because of that, the plant is unable for giving the good fruiting. Management. If you want to manage the mealybug, first we should remove the alternate weed host like Parthenium, Abutilon indicum, etc. from the cotton field. Second, most important parasitoids that is used against the mealybug, that is Anaceus bombay. And in the chemicals, we should use the botanicals like neem oils or neem seed kernel extract 5%. And second one is profanophos 2 ml per liter. It is a organophosphate. How can it attack on the mealybug? It also blocks the activity of the acetylcholinesterase enzyme. Thanks. Today we discussed about the sucking pest of the cotton. In next class I will teach you the bollworms. Thanks for today. Please subscribe my channel and also like my video.